Children, in this video I will discuss electron affinity. Now meaning of affinity is attraction, and as the name suggests, it is the attraction of electron towards the atom. Now what is the definition? Definition is the amount of energy released when an electron is added to an isolated gaseous atom. So it is basically what electron affinity is, the energy which is released. You have studied ionization potential. In ionization potential, electron is removed and energy is required to remove an electron, but here it is just opposite. Electron is being added, and when the electron is added, energy is released by the atom. So let us see the definition. It is the amount of energy released is the keyword, when electron is added is the keyword, to an isolated is also a keyword, isolated gaseous atom. Okay, so this is neutral atom. Say this is any neutral atom which is X. Now electron is being added. This plus sign means electron is entering into this isolated, which is alone, neutral gaseous atom. So after electron is added to this neutral atom, it has developed one negative charge. It has become anion, and the energy will be released from the atom. So energy will be released from the atom. So this released energy will be EA. Okay, so the amount of energy released when electron is added to an isolated gaseous atom is called electron affinity. Now let us study the trend of EA in periodic table. Now what happens in a period means when we move left to right in a period, we see that EA increases. The reason for EA to increase is decrease in atomic size. Now why does atomic size decrease? Atomic size decrease due to simple reason that atomic number increase. Okay, so when you move from left to right, you notice that number of protons are increasing, means atomic number is increasing. Okay, so number of proton means atomic number is increasing. Now number protons are inside the nucleus. आपको पता है कि जो protons होते हैं वो न्यूक्लियस के अंदर होते हैं, और प्रोटॉन्स क्योंकि पॉजिटिव चार्ज है तो ये न्यूक्लियस को पॉजिटिव चार्ज दिए हुए हैं, तो एक तरह से जो न्यूक्लियस का चार्ज होगा वो दैट इज ड्यू टू प्रोटॉन्स. ऑल राइट, सो दैट इज कॉल्ड न्यूक्लियर charge. So when you go from left to right, you see that nuclear charge is increasing due to number of protons are increasing. Okay, now protons, when they are increasing, they are positively charged. You know that they are attracting the electrons towards themselves. Okay, that is creating a pull कॉल्ड न्यूक्लियर पुल. तो न्यूक्लियर पुल क्या करता है, एक अट्रैक्शन क्रिएट करता है अपनी ओर, क्योंकि न्यूक्लियस पॉजिटिव है और इलेक्ट्रॉन निगेटिव है. नाउ इस अट्रैक्शन या इस पुल की वजह से एटॉमिक साइज डिक्रीज होता है. ओके, नाउ एटॉमिक साइज क्योंकि डिक्रीज हो रहा है, तो डिक्रीज होने की वजह से ये डिस्टेंस मीन्स न्यूक्लियस का आउटर मोस्ट शेल जो है इसके बीच का डिस्टेंस जो है वो डिक्रीज़ हो रहा है. नाउ अब क्योंकि डिस्टेंस डिक्रीज़ हो रहा है, इसके बीच में अट्रैक्शन ज़्यादा है. अगर आप यहाँ से यहाँ का साइज़ कंपेयर करें और यहाँ इस इफ़ यू कंपेयर दीज टू एटम्स, डिस्टेंस हेयर इज़ मोर comparatively in this atom. Okay, distance here is less. When you compare with this atom has less distance, means atomic radii of this atom is less than this atom. So what will happen, there is more nuclear pull. So that since there is more nuclear pull, यहाँ पे न्यूक्लियस का जो अट्रैक्शन है वो ज़्यादा है, तो इलेक्ट्रॉन ईजिली इसके अंदर ऐड हो जाएगा. सो व्हेन यू मूव हेयर, this has now greater nuclear pull. Effective force of attraction from nucleus towards the outermost shell is greater as you compare with these atoms which are before. ओके, सो इलेक्ट्रॉन यहाँ पे और ईजिली एंटर हो जाएगा, यहाँ पे और छोटा साइज है, मीन्स इसके बीच में डिस्टेंस और कम है, एटॉमिक रेडियाई और कम है, तो यहाँ पे और ईजिली इलेक्ट्रॉन एंटर हो जाएगा. तो जितना ईजिली इलेक्ट्रॉन एंटर होगा उतनी ज़्यादा एनर्जी रिलीज़ करेगा. तो क्योंकि ज़्यादा एनर्जी रिलीज़ कर रहा है तो ईए भी इंक्रीज होगी. सो ईए इंक्रीजेज व्हेन यू मूव फ्रॉम लेफ्ट टू राइट in a periodic table, in a period. So let us see in nutshell. Atomic number is increasing because number of protons are increasing, that is increasing the nuclear charge. Now increase in nuclear charge is decreasing the atomic size due to nuclear pull on the outermost shell, and due to outermost shell has more nuclear pull, electron can easily enter and release greater energy, and this subsequently increases electron affinity. Now let us study the trend down the group in a periodic table. So down the group in a periodic table, electron affinity decreases. Okay, so what is the reason for decrease of electron affinity down the group? Let us see. Now if you notice, down the group number of shells are increasing. Okay, number of shells are increasing, so atomic size is also increasing. Distance from here to here is less, and in this atom from here to here means atomic radii is more. Now when you move, as you are moving down, you see atomic radii is increasing. Okay, although the number of protons means atomic number is also increasing, means nuclear charge is also increasing, but that will be overweighed by increase in size of atom. Okay, so nuclear charge increases but overweighed by atomic size. Okay, so you notice that nuclear charge is increasing but atomic size is also increasing. So atomic size overpowers the effect of nuclear charge. तो जो एटॉमिक रेडियाई है मीन्स सेंटर ऑफ न्यूक्लियस से, यहाँ से न्यूक्लियस से आउटर मोस्ट शेल जो है उसका डिस्टेंस बढ़ रहा है. तो डिस्टेंस बढ़ने की वजह से न्यूक्लियर पुल का जो इफेक्ट है वो घट रहा है, दैट इज डिक्रीजिंग. नाउ इलेक्ट्रॉन इफ इट इज आउटसाइड, it will not be able to enter the atom with ease, so less energy will be released. Now let us see in nutshell. Atomic size increases due to increase in the number of shells. So you see that when you're moving down the group, number of shells are increasing. Now nuclear charge increases but overweighed by atomic size. So nuclear charge means number of protons are also increasing but the effect will be lessened. Why? Because atomic size is also increasing. Okay, so distance of nucleus from this outermost shell is increasing. So nuclear pull on the outermost shell electrons means valence electrons decreases. So जो न्यूक्लियस है वो ग्रेटर पुल नहीं लगा पाएगा आउटर मोस्ट इलेक्ट्रॉन पे. तो इलेक्ट्रॉन को अगर बाहर से अंदर आना है या ऐड होना है तो वो ज़्यादा इफेक्टिवली अब नहीं ऐड हो पाएगा क्योंकि कम एनर्जी रिलीज होगी. सो लेस एनर्जी इज रिलीज्ड एंड देयरफॉर EA decreases.